welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to make a Vampiro. It's a Mexican cocktail. It's made with tequila, really tasty, really popular also in Mexico. I'm going to leave the recipe in the descriptions for you. And then this mug I got on Amazon. I'm going to also leave the link on the descriptions for you if you guys want to get him. Alright, without further ado, let's dive right into today's cocktail. Alright, so for this cocktail we're going to need tequila. I'm using 1800 añejo today. Grapefruit soda, tomato juice, hot sauce, orange juice, lime juice, black pepper, and salt. Alright, I'm going to start by adding crushed ice into our mug. Next, we're going to add 2 ounces of tequila. One ounce of tomato juice, one ounce of fresh squeezed orange juice, one ounce of fresh lime juice, 4 dashes of hot sauce. Now we're gonna add a pinch of black pepper. Next, we're gonna add a pinch of salt. Finally, we're just gonna top it up with grapefruit soda. And that's how you make el Vampiro cocktail. And if you like the video, please comment, like, share, and subscribe. And as always, until the next one, cheers!